Here also guys, Taylor Vlogs here. These are the fidget spinners that I have ordered. I'm going to be unboxing them now. Oh my god, I don't know what's in them. I don't even know if they're my fidget spinners or not, but I'm pretty sure they're my fidget spinners. So I'm going to have to like that and then pull it out very slowly. Oh yes guys. That is the first fidget spinner that I did order. It looks so nice. Gonna slowly take it out of the case. Oh my god. Oh my god guys, that is so cool. That spins really fast as well guys. Oh my god, that is the first fidget spinner. It is a fingertip gyroscope. It is so nice. So I'm going to put that back into there, move that over to the side. We've now got my second fidget spinner, which we are going to open. It's a bugger to open. Yes guys, it's another fidget spinner that I have ordered, and it is the one that I did mention. It is a very little nice, it's a normal one, but it's a very nice one. Fidget spinner, work, class, home. I'm going to be unboxing this now. Ready? Oh, that is nice. That actually feels slightly better than that one. That is very, very nice. It spins so nicely and so like it's got the blue, the red and the green. Oh my god, these fidget spinners are, I spent like £7 on these. They are so nice. My fidget spinners guys, they are amazing. I like this little thing one. This double one. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but it is. They're so good, guys. These fidget spinners are so nice to spin compared to my one that I broke. Like, look at the spin difference. It's just so much nicer, guys. I love these fidget spinners. They're so nice. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing video. Got all this rubbish here, and then we've got the main bad boy, the aluminium rainbow one. That is very, very nice. I do like that fidget spinner a lot, but I'm kind of leaning. Let's have a look at if it spins well here. Oh guys, I'll spin this one here as well. Oh, it's got silence on it. Anyway guys, that was the unboxing of my fidget spinners. I'll see you guys in the next video.